Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to adjust Google keyboard layout. Maybe you got a new phone and the phone you got is slightly bigger or smaller than your previous one and you find it difficult to type with Google keyboard. There's a way you can adjust the Google keyboard layout. Here's how to do it. So open your keyboard like you want to type. What you have to do is to hold and click on any of the front row, any of the icon at the top. It could be the clipboard or GIF or the translate. Just click and hold any of them. Now you're going to see an option that says resize. Click on it. Here you can now resize how you want your keyboard to be. You can decrease it or increase it. So this is how you resize your keyboard layout. If you feel like it is too big and you want to go back to default, you can click on reset and it will go back to default on how it looks like before. So that's how you adjust your Google keyboard layout. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.